Let's repair Redmi charging block, charging slot. If it's not charging, look, it's not charging. We're going to open it now. Open it carefully. And open the cover connector and remove the board. Remove shield. And now we need a outstation SMD. Set on 360, 350 Hz. You can control. Put the heat over the charging block. Remove it. Take it when it is melt. All the soldering. It's very easy to remove it. Yes, more heat. It will melt. You can see it's removed very easily. And now we're soldering all the pins, all the points. Desolder extra soldering. Desoldering. That charging block can adjust easily. Now we need a new charging slot, charging port. Clean it nicely after desoldering. It's ready now for new charging port. Here's a charging block. We soldered all the pins, points before we adjust, before we install, that it can stick nicely. Yes, adjust it now. It's easy to adjust because it's desoldered. All the pins empty. Now I need to solder from the side first. Soldered well, that it can last long. Let's put more soldering. This looks nice now. Soldering all the pins properly. Each and every pin we need to solder, that it can connect properly with the board and can work. Looks nice now. You can check, recheck. This looks ready. We're going to pack it now. Close it back. Hopefully it's working. plastic rubber, waterproof. Connect all the connections, antenna, cable, and put the cover back. We're going to check it now. Yes, it's charging. It's done working. Succeed. It's very easy to repair. Please, if you like my video, please subscribe the channel, comment, and support my channel for watching ads. And thank you for watching. It's charging nicely, 1% already done.